Beehiiv tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I will show you how to use Beehiiv. For those who may not be familiar, Beehiiv is an incredible tool that enhances collaboration and communication within organizations. It's a platform designed to make your work easier and your team more synchronized. In this tutorial, I'll cover everything from the basics to the more intricate functionalities. I'll show you how to create your account, help you understand the Beehiiv interface, demonstrate how to write posts and emails within the platform, and even show you how to integrate Beehiiv with other platforms to streamline your workflow. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Beehiiv, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description. So, go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct homepage. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to the top right corner and click on the Start Trial button. This will take you to the registration page. Signing up for a trial with Beehiiv is easy. You just need to provide your first name and last name, email address, and choose a password. Once you've filled in these details, click on the Get Started button. The next step is to verify your email address. After doing this, you can proceed to personalize your account by following the on-screen prompts. As soon as your account is personalized, your free trial will begin and you will be directed to your account dashboard. This dashboard is where you'll access all of Beehiiv's files to enhance your team's collaboration and communication. The Beehiiv dashboard is beautifully simple, housing a left-hand menu packed with powerful features, including dashboard, notification, write, grow, monetization, audience, analyze, learn, wallet, and settings. The dashboard is your primary landing page after you log in. It offers an account overview and a snapshot of all activities, and from here, you can access all Beehiiv features and tools. The notification feature houses all notifications related to your Beehiiv account, such as new followers, mentions, or comments on your posts. The Write feature enables you to create posts and emails within the platform. You can customize these posts, add multimedia, and even schedule them to be published later. The Growth section is designed to help you expand your reach by offering recommendations on audience growth and effective engagement on Beehiiv. Monetization is an ideal feature for business users. This feature allows you to monetize your content through sponsored posts, product placement, and other monetization opportunities. The Audience feature offers an overview of your audience demographics and interests, enabling you to analyze their engagement with your content. The Analyze feature allows you to monitor post performance and engagement metrics, which can help you refine your content strategy. In the Learn section, Beehiiv provides a variety of resources and tutorials to aid your journey on the platform. The Wallet feature allows you to manage your payments, subscriptions, and earnings on Beehiiv. Lastly, the Settings section lets you customize your account preferences and privacy settings. Each of these features is designed to enhance your experience and efficiency on Beehiiv, helping you make the most of your time on the platform. Now, let's see how to create posts in Beehiiv. Now that you have a better understanding of the Beehiiv interface, let's look at how to create posts within the platform. To begin writing a new post, locate and click the Start Writing button situated at the top right corner of your screen. Upon clicking, you will be redirected to a new page where you will see different options such as post, email, website, delivery, and SEO. To proceed with creating a post, click on the Post option. This will open up a new window where you can start composing your content, adding media, and tailoring the post to your needs. After navigating to the Post page, you'll find two main sections. To the left, you will see the title and subtitle fields where you can enter the title and subtitle of your post. On the right side of the screen, you'll find a blank canvas. This is where you'll write your post. There is no need to stress about getting it perfect on your first attempt. You can make adjustments and revisions to your draft before publishing. Once you're happy with your post, click on the Preview button. This lets you see how your post will appear once published. After you review the post, click on the Schedule button on the bottom right of your screen. A pop-up window will appear with two options: Schedule and Publish Now. If you're ready to share your post with the world, click on the Publish Now option, and then click the Review button. This allows you to review your post once more before it goes live. After your final review, click on the Publish Now button and your post is now live. Now, let's see how to send emails in Beehiiv. After mastering the art of posting on Beehiiv, it's time to explore how to send emails within the platform. To start the process, look for the Start Writing button located at the top right corner of your screen and give it a click. This action leads you to a new page filled with varying options such as post, email, website, delivery, and SEO. To proceed with crafting an email, click on the Email option. You'll then be presented with an interface to compose your email. Begin by filling out the subject line and preview text fields. Once you've crafted a compelling subject line and preview text, it's time to write the body of your email, which can be done on the left side of the screen. After writing your email, you can navigate to the bottom left side of the screen, where you'll find various options such as Preview, Send Test, Save Template, and Schedule. The Preview button lets you take a sneak peek of your email before sending it, while the Send Test option allows you to forward a test email to yourself or anyone else, giving you an idea of how the final version will look. Meanwhile, clicking on Save Template allows you to save your current email as a template for future use. When you're done drafting and reviewing your email, click on the Schedule button. A pop-up window will appear, offering you the chance to either schedule your email for a later date or send it immediately. After opting for your preferred selection, click on the Review button for a final review and the opportunity to make any last-minute changes. Once you're content with your email, click on the Publish Now button and your email is on its way to the recipient's inbox. Next, let's see how to integrate Beehiiv with other platforms. After becoming proficient at sending emails in Beehiiv, the next step is to learn how to integrate Beehiiv with other platforms. To begin, navigate to the left-hand menu and select the Settings option. This action will direct you to the Settings page, where you will find an assortment of options on the left side. Locate and select the Integrations option. Upon clicking this, you will be able to integrate Beehiiv with other platforms using API webhooks and imports. API webhooks provide real-time data transfer and synchronization between Beehiiv and the connected platform, enhancing efficiency and ensuring your data is always up to date. With API imports, you can import data from other platforms to Beehiiv, providing a seamless way to consolidate and manage your data all in one place. These integrations not only streamline your workflow, but also enable you to leverage the full potential of Beehiiv by using it in tandem with your existing platform and tools. When it comes to Beehiiv plans and pricing, Beehiiv offers a variety of pricing plans designed to cater to different user needs and stages of growth. The platform offers 3 main plans: Launch, Grow, and Scale. The first plan is called Launch. It costs $0 per month, making it an ideal choice for those just starting to explore the platform or looking to kickstart their newsletter. The Launch plan gives users a taste of the features and capabilities of Beehiiv without any financial commitment. The second plan is the Grow plan. Priced at $49 per month, the Grow plan is specifically designed to aid in the expansion of your newsletter and reach a larger audience. It offers a more robust suite of features and tools that are crucial for your growth journey. Lastly, we have the Scale plan. Costing $99 per month, the Scale plan is tailored for users who are ready to elevate their accounts to the next level. This plan provides comprehensive access to Beehiiv's full suite of features, making it the optimum value option for those who are serious about scaling their newsletters. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Beehiiv. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can sign up using the first link in the description. I would really appreciate that, so thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching, and